Hi, I'm Jenny, the Social Media Manager at Autoshop Solutions. We are an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we're answering a big social media question. What do I post on each social platform to stand out from the crowd? Your audience on Facebook is likely not the same as your audience on Instagram or TikTok, and each audience has different expectations. Twitter is a microblogging site that limits posts to 280 characters. This makes it perfect for sharing quick updates, thoughts, and ideas. It's also great for finding and sharing content from other sources. Twitter favors text over images and is one of the best platforms to hop on current hashtags, memes, and trends. Instagram is a visual-first network. It's always favored photos, but recently it favors videos and reels even more. High-quality visuals are king here, whether that's photography, text graphics, or even funny memes and screenshots of tweets. A reel is a short-form video of 60 seconds or less that allows you to bring your brand to life. Unlike Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, Facebook allows it all. But based on what its audience expects, it's an ideal place for sharing longer pieces of content such as articles, videos, and images. Facebook is where many family members and friends connect, so it's also naturally an appropriate platform for more personal posts. This is where you post your employees' birthday celebrations, Cinco de Mayo work parties, events at your workplace, behind-the-scenes stories. Show your personality here. LinkedIn is the place to build yourself up as a thought leader. It's a professional network, so your posts and profiles should reflect that. LinkedIn is all about sharing content to help you land a job, grow your business, or connect you with the people in your professional network. It's an ideal platform for sharing articles, blog posts, and other forms of long-form content. A TikTok is a short vertical video. Users appreciate authentic, raw, and relatable moments, but they also appreciate trends, humor, originality, learning, and creativity. TikTok is quickly overtaking more traditional social sites by becoming the new face of marketing. As an auto shop, you might post some tips and tricks about cars that can benefit the average person. Google My Business allows you to communicate with your local customers directly. It's a great way to promote specials, events, sales, and news. This can help improve your customers' experience and also help show them you are an active business. Then there are some things that you just shouldn't post on your business's social media channels. Politics and social issues, religion, criticizing your competition, arguing, rants about clients, personal drama, anything illegal, going way off topic from your business. These are things you should save for your personal profile. Sharing individual posts is a strong strategy, but don't get too personal. Sharing your content on social media is important, but the number one thing you should take away from this video is that your audience is on multiple platforms, and they've grown to expect different kinds of content on each of those channels. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.